Welcome back to our channel.
Today we're diving into Funnel Freedom, the revolutionary affiliate marketing system developed by Jonathan Montoya. If you're looking to automate and scale your affiliate marketing business, this video is for you. Digital marketing is booming, with the industry expected to hit $1.5 trillion by 2030. Funnel Freedom, created by seven-figure affiliate marketer Jonathan Montoya, is designed to help you capitalize on this growth with cutting-edge tools and strategies. Traditional affiliate marketing can be challenging, requiring time-consuming content creation and uncertain ROI from paid ads. Funnel Freedom changes the game by providing a 100% cloud-based solution that simplifies and automates the entire process. With Funnel Freedom, you get a white-label affiliate marketing course as a lead magnet, automated email marketing campaigns, and a year's worth of pre-planned emails. This ensures consistent communication with your leads and balances value-based content with offers. Funnel Freedom includes 12 affiliate programs, including Jonathan's own, and provides guidance for applying to external programs like System.io. This lets you start promoting products immediately without lengthy research. Beginners will love Funnel Freedom's simplicity and ease of use. With Jonathan Montoya's proven success blueprint, comprehensive training, and support, you'll have all the tools you need to succeed. Ready to unlock your affiliate marketing potential? Click the link in the description to start your free trial of Funnel Freedom. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into making money online.